Hey guys, it's Kelly. Hey, I got another card from the September 2023 Simon Says Stamp card kit. I cut out all the little rectangles and decided to put them on a card real quick. And I matted each one with yellow, and then I just used black cardstock that is white core. In the back, I used the embossing folder that came with the kit, and then I used the sanding disc that came with the kit to distress just the tops of that embossed panel in the background. Super simple design. I am a fan of the simple designs, and I like to share those with you because whether you have the kit or not, you can cut rectangles even out of just your play paper, like your leftover paper, your leftover designer paper. You can coordinate that together and mat it and use this format in any way you'd like. And then you just do your sentiment on the inside. I got that from the kit. I fussy cut that sentiment because it worked much better. To have straight lines, and with all the straight lines was a little too straight liney. So I just wound up fussy cutting the sentiment around it, and it wound up looking nice. So, and then I put that, I kind of auditioned it on a white card base, and it was just calling more attention to some of the imperfections on the card. I don't know, it didn't go as well as the black card base did. So I wound up matting it on yellow, and then I put it on a black card base. Super simple design. Again, just some matting with some paper, designer paper. Again, you don't have to have the card kit to do this. You can do it with stuff that's in your stash. Really simple design. I'm not rewriting the wheel here. I'm just sharing a fun design that I thought you guys might like. And again, that's my favorite glue, my Bearly Art glue. I get that from Simon Says Stamp. You can get it at Scrapbook. You can get it everywhere. You can get it at Amazon, wherever you would like. It's available pretty much everywhere, and that is my glue of choice. And that's just a plain, really thin paper for the base. And then, like I said, I put it on a black card base because that just seemed to go better with this design. It worked on the white as well, but for some reason, I went back and forth many times. And you can kind of see how it looks on that white card base, but when I put it on the black, even though I have a black background, it just works better for me. It looks more framed. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys got some inspiration from this. I'll have a lot more to come. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Definitely helps my channel. Thanks again, guys. Have a good one.